In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your emails using Hostinger's webmail service. Whether you're switching to a different email client or simply want to have a local backup of your emails for safekeeping, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. First things first, you'll need to log into your Hostinger webmail account. Using your email address and password, go ahead and sign in. If you're already familiar with Hostinger's hPanel, there's an alternative way to access your emails directly from there. Simply head over to the email section, find your email account, and click on Manage. Once there, you'll see the option for webmail. Click on it, and you'll be taken directly to your mailbox. Now that you're in your webmail, the next step is to select the emails you wish to download. Look around for the Select button. It's your one-stop solution for choosing specific emails you want to export. If you prefer to download an entire folder or even your entire mailbox, you can also make that selection. This might be particularly useful if you're looking to back up a large volume of emails or switch everything over to another platform. Once you've made your selection, it's time to download those emails. Look for the More option in your toolbar. It's usually located at the top of your webmail interface, giving you additional functionalities for managing your emails. When you click on More, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, simply select the Download option, which will prompt the process of moving your chosen emails from the webmail to your local device. At this point, you'll be asked to choose an export format for your downloaded emails, which is an important step in ensuring you can access them in the way you need. There are three main formats available for download. The EML format is perfect if you need a single email downloaded as a standalone file. If you have multiple emails to download, you can use the MBOX format, which collates all those emails into a single file housed within a .zip archive. Finally, there's the MailDir format, which similarly places multiple emails into a .zip archive, but organizes them into a specific directory structure. Each format has its own advantages depending on how you plan to use or store your emails. So take a moment to consider which one suits your needs best. Once you've picked your format, the download process will start and your emails will be saved to your device. And there you have it. Your emails are now safely downloaded and ready for any future use you might have planned. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has made it easy for you to download your emails from Hostinger's webmail. Until next time.